came from recording my videos on an iPhone 7, girl. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be an unboxing of my new camera. And I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Whether you're new or old, thank you so much. Without further ado, I'm so excited to open this new camera. If you know me personally, you know that YouTube and recording and makeup, beauty, skincare, all of those things are a really big passion of mine. And I also am, you know, ready to expand my YouTube channel and just kind of go for, you know, my dreams. And one of my dreams is to, number one, be a YouTube content creator, and number two, a makeup artist. And I'm actually dibbling and dabbling in both of those now. So I was awarded the opportunity to invest in myself and purchase a new camera. A lot of the videos that you guys see me recording are with an iPhone 7. Yes, iPhone 7. I know we're already on the iPhone 13, but my iPhone 7 is just, it's perfect. It works like a charm, and it is easy to transfer my footage from my iPhone 7 to my MacBook Pro. And now I'm able to, you know, kind of upgrade to a new camera. I do have another camera. It's the Canon EOS Rebel T6. I love that camera, you guys. That was the very first camera that I invested my own money into. So with this new camera, I'm really excited because it's apparently really good for vlogging and outdoor activity recording. And it has a viewfinder. It's a newer technology. I'm just really excited. So if you guys want to see me open my new camera and try it out and, you know, give you guys a demo, then please keep watching. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, guys. Here is everything that I got. So I did purchase my items from Best Buy. However, I will link the camera and the rest of the items that I purchased in the description box below. If any of you guys are interested in pricing or ordering one for yourself, I will have it linked down below. This is the Sony ZV-E10. This is the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera. Okay, before I open this is the camera. Before I open this camera, I'm gonna show you the other items I got also. Vlogger kit, and it looks like it comes with a 64 gig memory card and also a tripod that has functions on it, because I wanted a larger memory card because I feel like 64 gigs is just not enough memory for the videos that I like to make. So I purchased another memory card, a SanDisk 128 gig memory card. I don't know why I don't know, I wanted this with it, but I also have an equipment bag, so this is optional. This is the Sony carrying case for cameras. And I purchased this for whenever I want to carry my camera by itself and not with my other camera and my other tripod and my computer and everything with that. So because that equipment bag can be pretty heavy, so I just got a smaller equipment bag for this particular camera. Let's open her up, you guys. Let's open her up. So here is the camera. It's wrapped up like a little biscuit. Okay, let's unwrap our little biscuit. Oh, here she is, girlfriends. Here Yes, she is. Ooh. Okay, so by the look of it, this camera has a super sleek, super neat, and very techy exterior. You know, there's the lens already attached. There is a camera that does not come with the lens, and it does not come with the microphone. I'm not sure why. Maybe some people already have the lens, so the lens is not something that they need. But I am new to this shit, and I don't have anything for it. So I got the one with the lens. First things first, I want to see if the battery's in here. The battery does not come in here. Duh, because I just took the battery out of the box. So let's put the battery in. And I've had this baby has been sitting in my office for a month. And the bottom is closed. At the top is the on and off button. So I'm going to switch it on. Of course it's dead. Of course it's dead. You just pulled it out of the box. So on the back side of the camera, there is a viewfinder that opens and flips forward. So this is what I meant about my other camera not having a viewfinder. So whenever you have this camera on and recording, this is your lens, and this is how you are able to see yourself, girl. And so my other camera does not have that, so I'm just wondering if it's, you know, zoomed in correctly, if it's looking at me versus looking at the product in my hand, you know, just, you know, all of those things. And there's the zoom button up here. There's a power button or like a shutter button. And then on the back, there's the menu. There's a few other buttons that I don't know what these buttons do for this camera. I'm so excited because this camera could potentially be what I need to not only give myself the motivation to make vlog videos, but this could also be like, you know, my investment into myself. And that's what I thought of it as when I purchased this camera. This is my investment in myself and my business and my work. I am going to get this baby charged up. I'm going to charge this. There's a little cube here like this, and it comes with the charging cord. To put this in here, and then this part goes, there's a little door, knock knock, open the door right here to the side. That top hole is the charging hole. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so while I have her charging, let's talk about some of the other things that I purchased with this camera. So I want to rewind a little bit. I'm going to rewind a little bit and go back to this vlogger kit. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is the vlogger kit. Okay, and I want to open this up because I purchased this. It was right next to the display, and it seems like it goes very well with the camera. Okay. So let's open this. Okay, so there's a box within a box. It's called a shooting grip with wireless remote commander. Okay, that's what this is called. This is called the shooting grip. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. Shooting grip with wireless remote commander. Okay. She's nicely packaged. And here she is. So this right here, you guys, is a little screw that you can screw into the bottom of your camera, and then your camera sits up top onto this little grip, they call it. Okay, so it gives you a photo mode, it gives you a movie mode, there's a zoom in button, C1. I'm not sure what that means. And then this lock button here looks like it's a timer of some sort. This also opens up into a tripod, which I am really feeling this. Like, I'm really feeling the whole tripod feel. I think this was very well thought out. And again, you guys, this is very new to me. So if you guys have seen something like this, you know, just bear with me, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But anyway, this is really cool. I like this. I'm going to use it with my camera. Inside of this box, this vlogging kit box, is a memory card. It's a 64 gig. Next, inside of the camera grip box, so this is the little holder. This is the holder that this grip goes into. It slides right into here. Now I'm seeing that there is a battery in here. There's a battery in here, guys. And I'm assuming that this battery goes inside of this device. I'm assuming it may go in here. This is so cute. Like, this is very well thought out. And also, it's super compact, so it will fit with everything else inside of my equipment bag. Just super easy, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back really quickly. This is another tripod. I have you guys sitting on a ring light with my camera, with my iPhone 7 that I told you before I record with. So I'm going to turn her on. And she asks me, do I speak English? And English is my language. Oh. I didn't take the lens off, guys. Oh my gosh, look how cute this little lens cover is. Look at this, you guys. Look. Okay. You guys see me? Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? I feel like my ring light is too light. It's too bright now. Hold on. Hey, y'all. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to... Oh, my battery is like so dead. So this is what y'all look like. Y'all look like this. I'm super excited. Oh, I can close this door and I can show you guys. Okay, so you see this, guys? This is what I'm living for, honey. Yes. Oh my gosh. So I'm really happy about this. So I'm going to turn her off and I'm going to put her back onto the charger.
Anywho, let's get into this camera, honey. Let's get into this camera. So I'm recording on my new Sony ZV-E10. And y'all, this, first of all, let me just tell y'all how life-changing this is, okay? Because in my very first video, yes, the mole removal video that has all the views, was recorded on an iPhone 7. And I just want to say, like, even though it can be done, I am just so happy that I took the time out to invest in this camera because, boo, your girl's quality is unmatched, okay? My quality is unmatched, and y'all can see that. Like, I don't know if y'all be able to see it in this video, but this is why I decided to record this clip and put it into this video, because, you know, needless to say, I love my new camera. It was worth every single penny, okay? And, you know, I just hope that this is the beginning of something special for us. Like, yes, I recommend this camera. Yes, I recommend you upgrade to this camera if you are able to. If you're not, save your coin, honey. Save your coin, because you're going to get there. It's like I have a filter on.
You guys, I am so happy that I finally have been able to open my camera, and I've finally been able to, you know, just kind of share this with you, share this little secret I had with you guys. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel to see my videos and hear my opinions and hear me talk about, you know, the different things that I've posted thus far on my channel. I appreciate you guys. For anybody that is new here, please, 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 please thumbs up this video. Write any of your thoughts down in the comments. Any of you all are interested in purchasing a camera or purchasing the vlogger kit if you already have the camera. Whatever, if you just want to see how much it costs, boo, how much money I spent, you can still go down to the links below and look at it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your thoughts and feelings down below, and I will see y'all in the next video.